Hello, Sunshine. Welcome to day number 7 of 0 to 250,000 Rand per month. So now we've come to the end of the week. Now I'm going to go through essentially analysis of everything I've done this week. So I'm going to start with the meeting I had on Friday. We try and record everything so we can transcribe it, put into AI, and see how we can do better in terms of what our sales script is, what our goal is, and how we can bridge that gap. So that's what I'm going to do now. I've back home, so I was setting this up for a while after my shower. So I've got that set up. Got my tripod next to me. I was going to use it, but like right there. But yes, I also need to clean my bed. I don't want to be lazy, so I need to clean that and then make sure that sleep nice and early today, wake up nice and early tomorrow, and then get things going for the new week. But nothing much outside of that, and I'll check you tomorrow, Sunshine. Tomorrow's a new day. Cheers.